Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the best way to avoid being denied when applying for PayPal working capital. When I first looked into PayPal working capital for my business, I quickly realized it's a completely different ball game than a traditional bank loan. The key thing is they base their decision almost entirely on your PayPal sales history, not your personal credit score. This is where you have the most control. Based on my experience and research, there are three main things you absolutely need to focus on to maximize your chances of approval. Think of these as the fundamental pillars. Pillar 1. Meet the minimums and maintain your account. First, the simple stuff, you must meet the basic eligibility criteria. I always made sure my account was in good standing. This means no holds, no limitations, and no open bankruptcy filings. More specifically, you need to have a PayPal business or Premier account that's been open for at least 90 days. And this is the big one. You need a consistent sales volume. For a PayPal business account, the U.S. threshold is typically at least $15,000 in annual PayPal sales. And for Premier accounts, it's usually $20,000. My advice? Always aim to exceed these minimums and keep your sales consistent, not just a one-month spike. Pillar 2. Manage any existing loans perfectly. If you had a PayPal working capital loan before, you absolutely must have it paid off in full before you apply for a new one. PayPal only allows one active working capital loan at a time. I've heard stories of people getting denied simply because the system hadn't fully registered the final payment yet. To avoid this, make sure you wait at least 72 hours after your final payment is cleared and the balance shows zero before you hit that Apply Now button again. This gives their system time to update everything and recognize you as a successfully repaid borrower, which is a huge plus for your next application. Pillar 3. Optimize your PayPal sales activity. This is a strategic part because their approval algorithm relies heavily on your sales data. You want that data to look as good as possible. First, don't divert sales away from your PayPal account in the months leading up to your application. If you have multiple payment processors, try to push as much volume as possible through PayPal to show a high, consistent revenue stream. Second, minimize any account issues like high chargebacks, customer complaints, or excessive refunds. These red flags tell PayPal you have a risky business, which can absolutely lead to a denial, even if your sales volume is high. Keep your customers happy, and keep your account health pristine. In short, to avoid denial, ensure your account is old enough and in good standing. Hit those minimum annual sales volumes consistently. And if you're a repeat borrower, wait for your previous loan to fully clear before applying again. This shows PayPal you are a stable, reliable merchant, and that's the profile they want to fund. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.